Okay, so we have successfully completed this project. 64 units of 460 watt solar panels at Kingdom Recovery Christian Church, number 13 Atebo Street, Suralaba, my 2 Lagos. Okay, so these are some of my guys. They're about going down. They're about going down. Okay, so these are happy guys. Okay, so this is the panel. This is the second wing of the roof. Okay, the other wing is the other side. That side took 48 panels, and this side took 16 panels. Okay, so you can call us anytime for your solar installation. 070-3124-1590. 070-3124-1590. We are ECOSOFT Technologies Limited, and we are here to give you the best. Okay, so these are the panels. This line is 9. Okay, this is 9, and this line is 7. Okay, this line is 7. Okay, let me show you the other line. Okay, so this is the other line. Okay, you can see down there, that's the last line is 16 panels. Okay, followed by the second line, which is 14 panels, then followed by the third line, which is 9 panels, and followed by this line, which is about 7 panels. Okay, making a total of 48 panels on this wing and 16 panels on this wing. Okay, so call us anytime for your solar installation. We are ECOSOFT Technologies Limited. Okay, you can see us. We are ECOSOFT Technologies Limited. We'll give you the best. 070-3124-1590. 070-3124-1590. We do everything. Okay, inverter, solar, CCTV access control, electric fence, 3D systems, and many more. Okay, and we'll give you the best. Thank you so very much. Thank God for the success of this project. Okay, thank you so very much. Peace out.